Hey, Tita. Good morning. Good morning, Mom and Sir. We have Pinapugasan Tricycle Driver Association. Good morning. Bandila mga drivers. We have also Cervantes Board Water System Fisher Folk Association, of course, from Barangay Cervantes. Good morning. We have also Sogofa. Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. Welcome. And we have Escalatas Go Fishermen Association. Good morning, sir. Today, we have FCCT. Good morning. Sinawa tayo yung ulawabot ng mga bisita. Again and again, after our opening prayer, we will be having our Drown and Live exhibition. So we have elementary level and secondary level.
We have Drive Gas.